Hello, in this simulation we're going to introduce the kilowatt hours. Let's click the red switch on the mains supply to start the current flowing to the oven of the cooker. Let the circuit run for about 10 seconds and then we will click the switch again to stop the current flow. How many joules have been transferred during this time? About 11,960 joules. When a cooker is being used in a kitchen, it's likely to be on for a lot longer than 10 seconds. This cooker takes about 6 minutes to reach the temperature required to bake a sponge cake. How many joules will be supplied to it while it's heating up for this length of time? Yes, about 414,000 joules, which comes from 230 volt multiplied by 5 ampere multiplied by 360 seconds. The joule is not a large enough unit to measure domestic energy use. However, the kilowatt hour is used instead. This is the amount of energy transferred if a 1 kilowatt, which is 1000 watt appliance, is run for 1 hour, which is about 3600 seconds. How many joules are equivalent to 1 kilowatt hour? Remember that 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Yes, 3,600,000 joule. That's correct.